Introducing Woodpecker's newest one-time tool, the combination saddle T-square. This new measuring and marking tool is specifically designed to help woodworkers accurately mark a piece of wood. A saddle square makes it possible to mark two perpendicular sides of a board. Position once, mark twice. Both lines are now in perfect alignment with each other. The T-square feature of the saddle square combines a machined 30-degree laser engraved bevel with the precision of an accurately machined 1mm holes. By using the holes to position the tip of your pencil, you can instantly scribe a line perfectly parallel to a board's edge. The saddle T-square is available in 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch lengths with imperial spacing. It also comes in metric sizes of 100, 150, 200, and 300 millimeters. Like all Woodpecker brand tools, the saddle T-square is made right here in the USA.
Expandable, powerful, versatile. The Connect modular clamp system from Crescent redefines expectations of what a clamp can do. 500 pounds of holding power secures your work with almost 60% more force than comparable clamps. That's strong enough to hold heavy objects upright with confidence. But the real power of the Connect clamp is its integrated connection system that lets you join and rotate multiple clamps to achieve almost any position. Odd angles and difficult corners, like those on cabinets and furniture, are securely held in position. Crescent twin locks allow you to easily add additional clamps, expanding your connection options. Simply attach a twin lock on the end of the rail and slide another Connect clamp into place. Connect clamps are equally useful as a spreader. Lift the bar lock, slide and reverse the position of the head. The trigger action now applies force in the opposite direction. Large pads provide maximum surface contact and protect delicate surfaces. Pads can be removed to gain additional clearance when working in tight spaces or around overhanging edges. An integrated pipe grip is molded into each Connect clamp. Round objects are locked down tight, preventing twisting when cutting and/or drilling. Durable rubber grips add comfort and prevent slips. And Connect clamps are built to last, with the rugged quality that has made the Crescent brand famous. Connect clamps are available in 6 and 12-inch sets, and the twin lock accessory. Crescent. Innovation then and now.
Okay, this is our straight edge clamp. As I mentioned before, it's an easy way to put a straight edge onto a piece of wood to make a straight cut with your circular saw or your router. The way it works, back jaw slides, front jaw is fixed, that locks it tighter. To use it, you just set it against the fixed jaw, pull up the back until it clicks. Pull it up until it clicks, and then pull down on the lever. That locks it so you can make a straight cut. All of our clamps work the same way. We make them 12 inches to 12 feet. They all have this exact same clamp. Back jaw slides, front jaw is fixed. This side doesn't move.
When is a push stick not just another piece of plastic? When it can do this, and this, and not get this. Introducing the PushPRO from Bosch. The secret of the PushPRO is in the double-sided EVA tip that is tough and rigid enough to take any beating and absorbs vibration to reduce chatter, all while conforming to fit your workpiece. With an ergonomic handle and an interchangeable cartridge for customization, this isn't just a push stick. It's the first line of protection for your tools and yourself.
Does this look familiar? The combination square, a common tool for marking lines parallel to an edge of your workpiece. But for every new measurement, the head must be relocated. It's time-consuming and inaccurate. There must be a better way. Introducing the new INCRA T rule. It does the same job as your old combination square and much more. But instead of adjusting a headpiece for each new measurement, simply move your pencil to another hole. It's like a combination square that's always set to every measurement and far more accurate. Use the 1/32 inch holes for drawing lines. Here we are marking drill centers for a cabinet door handle, 1 inch from this edge, then 2 inches and 5 inches from this edge. It's also a precision T-square for marking at right angles to the edge of your work. And you can precisely locate short marks using the individually numbered 1/16 and 1/32 inch marking slots. Or use the 1/64 inch scale for ultra high resolution. The professional T rule even includes marking holes every 1/100th of an inch. Now that's precision. And remember, any of the INCRA rules can be used for marking metal by simply using a sharp scribe. For even more versatility, the T-bar is adjustable for making precise vertical measurements above your work surface. The handy 3-inch Tiny T is perfect for small workpieces and tucks away in your shop apron pocket. INCRA T-rules are offered in 3, 6, 12, and 18-inch lengths. Metric versions are also available.
The exclusive Infinity Tools Mini Mega Flush Trim router bits are engineered specifically to be a perfect match to your variable speed compact or trim router and eliminate concerns of chip out and tear out that plague other flush trim and pattern router bits. With a 1/4-inch shank, these bits are perfect for use in all routers and router tables. Each Mini Mega Flush Trim bit features 4 brazed C4 carbide tips arranged in a compression geometry that produce a superior finish compared to other flush trimming router bits. All 3 of the Mini Mega Flush Trim router bits have top and bottom bearings, so you can use them for flush trimming and pattern routing work. Both bearings can be removed if needed for specific tasks, cleaning, or replacement. Having dual bearings means you can flip your workpiece over when pattern routing to reverse grain direction without removing and repositioning your template. Available individually or in a 3-piece money-saving package, the Mini Mega Flush Trim router bits come in 3 different sizes: 1/2 inch by 1 inch, 5/8 by 7/8 of an inch, and 5/8 by 1 3/8 of an inch tall. You can choose the size that best suits your specific routing needs, from trimming delicate veneers to pattern routing stock up to a full 1 3/8 of an inch thick.